Today is such a special day because we're celebrating Mother's Day together as a family, and we decided to have dinner here at Pico di Pino Cafe and Restaurant. I've been hearing so many good things about this place, so I'm really excited to share our experience with you all. As soon as we arrive, I could feel the cozy and warm vibe. Super perfect siya for spending quality time with your mama and the whole family or even your friends. The place is so beautiful, ang ganda ng interior at yung ambience super relaxing. So perfect spot siya guys for the family bonding or kaya even with your friends. So let's go inside and see what they have to offer. So, pagpasok nyo pa lang dito guys sa entrance, magtatanong na sila kung ilan kayo at may bayad yung cottage nila. So, yung cottage fee is 200 pesos. So, depende yon kung gaano kayo kadami. Pagpasok nyo pa lang, makikita nyo na agad yung kanilang mga menu. Guys, look around. Pico di Pino is really different from other restaurants I've been to. They have this nice mix of modern and nature-inspired design. Super pleasant lang sa mata. Then, the staff here are so welcoming and friendly. Pag may kids kayong kasama, perfect din siya dahil pwede kayo makapamili dito ng mga toys. Sobrang dami din mapagpipilian. Isa din sa nagustuhan ko dito sa restaurant na ito guys. I love how they keep the elements that make us feel at home. Pero nandoon din yung touch na nagpapaganda sa overall experience. It's not just about the food here, it's about the whole experience, and so far, nag-exceed yung expectations ko. So as you can see naman, ang ganda ng view nila. Okay guys, time to order na. Ang hirap pumili kasi ang daming masasarap na options sa menu nila. We decided to try some of their best sellers kasi sabi nila yan talaga yung must try dito. First, we ordered their signatures appetizer. Must try nyo din tong sticky rice guys. Super duper sarap. We decided to try some of their best sellers kasi sabi nila yan talaga ang must try dito. So first, we ordered their signature appetizer. Sobrang sarap. Then for the main course, we got different dishes para masubukan namin lahat. From local favorites to their special creations. Everything looks so delicious. Now, this is my favorite part of the video, spending time with my family, especially to my mama and sa aking mga kapatid at sa akin mga nanay na din kami. Today is all about her and seeing her happy makes everything worth it. So, sobrang saya niya guys dahil kompleto kami, andyan lahat ng apo niya, andyan lahat yung mga anak niya. So, we talk, laugh, and share the stories. Hindi lang namin na-enjoy yung masarap na pagkain, na-enjoy din namin yung presence ng isa't isa. The place is so conducive for bonding, walang ingay na nakakaabala kaya nakakapag-usap kami ng maayos. It's really the perfect place to celebrate special occasions like Mother's Day. So after our dinner guys, here's my honest review to this restaurant. So definitely one of my new favorite places to dine, from the food, service, ambience. So if you're looking for a nice place to celebrate special events, date, night, or just with good food with family and friends, highly recommended ko ito sa inyo. Worth it yung every centavo ninyo. As you can see guys, may mga pasalubong items din sila. Marami kayong mapagpipilian dyan. May mga ref magnet, may mga keychain. So, this restaurant guys, na-featured na sila sa TV, sa Umagang Kay Ganda. Ayan, so marami na silang mga award. Ayan, napuntahan na din sila dito ni Drew Arellano. At ang dami na din nilang mga award.
Wag lang puro trabaho, trabaho, trabaho. Bigyan mo naman ng oras yung sarili mo. If you enjoy your life, you will have the energy. Amen? People should eat and drink and enjoy the fruits of their labor because these are the gifts from God. Kumain ka, magpahinga ka, uminom ka, magsaya ka. Dahil yan ang regalo ng Diyos sa iyo.
So, ayun lang guys. Kung kayo ay bago dito sa aking vlog, please consider to subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Disclaimer: I made this video to preserve our family memories. So please don't mind if the edits or the vlog aren't perfect. Thank you for watching.